This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm Windows build, free disk space, and pending updates so the installer has a supported environment. Once done, close Teams and Office, then open Task Manager to end mseg WebView 2 or stuck installer processes. This prevents file locks. Next, download the correct Teams MSI or EXE and note the setup log path. Run the installer as administrator to capture full logs and avoid permission failures. This first set of steps establishes a clean, traceable. You now dive into the setup log to find the error code and exact failure point, because the log explains whether it's a permission, file, or dependency issue. Make sure to terminate installers, then delete Teams folders in %localappdata% and %programdata% to clear corrupt state. This removes cached installers and locked files. If the log shows WebView 2 or MSI conflicts, uninstall the old MSI package and repair or reinstall the WebView 2 runtime. These middle steps remove blockers that cause repeated install. You should now run the installer elevated and capture a new setup log so you can confirm the fix or spot residual issues. After install, check Windows installer and related services aren't disabled. Sometimes a reboot finalizes component registration. If installation still fails, extract the exact error code from the latest log and retry using the offline MSI package to avoid network issues. One troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, collect the fresh log and compare the failing step. This directs the next corrective action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.